Welcome guys. Let's do Algorand technical analysis and price prediction of this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And guys, this is my Twitter, please join me on Twitter. Let's dive into the content. Current rank of Algorand is 18 and price of the Algorand is $1.74 right now. Market cap of Algorand is $10.4 billion, that is huge. And 24-hour trading volume of Algorand is 425 million. Circulating supply of Algorand is 6 billion and total supply of Algorand is 6.5 billion and maximum supply of Algorand is 10 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I am going to show you the website. Here you can see on Thursday 13 September 2021 the price of the Algorand was $1.61 and after that price goes to this level and the price was near about 1.75 and up in. Let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of Algorand was on January 20, 2019 sorry, and the price was $3.56 about 2 years ago. And all-time low of Algorand was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was just 10 cents. In 1 year, Algorand gives 405% profit to its holder. That is very good profit. And it is available on Binance, HitBTC and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and this link. This is Binance exchange link, this is Pmex, this is Bybit, this is KuCoin and this is Hotbit exchange links. Click on these links, register your account and after initial deposit get these bonuses. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you the website. This is the website. Welcome to the future of finance. The convergence between decentralized and traditional financial models is accelerating and we are here to power it. Sustainable blockchain Algorand is the greenest blockchain with the carbon negative network. There are some facts and please visit this website. Let me please show you first chart. This is Algorand 4-hourly chart. It was in this descending wedge, you can say falling wedge, and here you can see how successfully it break this. And technical target of this falling wedge is this area, the starting of this falling wedge, and it is at this price zone, $2.59, and first resistance it can face at $1.85. This is the first resistance level, and after that this is the second resistance level and it is $2.04 and after that it can hit these targets. And let me please show you some other things. I think it is ready to hit these targets very soon and these are very important targets it have to hit. And first you can say our first target is 1.85, second target is $2.04, 2.04, it's mean $2.04, and third target is this area 2.5 and it's mean $2.52. And these are the targets. Please note down these targets. These are immediate short-term target. It can hit within days. And let me please show you some indicators. Here you can see it is EMA ribbon and how successfully it break EMA ribbon and now it is looking very bullish and that is a good sign. Let me please show you volume. Here is very less volume. We need that kind of volume. Once volume comes, in that case it will be very bullish. We have to wait for the volume. Once volume comes, in that case it will be very bullish. And if unfortunately it rejected from this zone, in that case it can again go down to retest this zone, $1.58 maybe, and after that this will be the possible scenario. Let me please show you my second chart. This is a daily chart and here you can see it is the resistance level and it is at $2.55 and it is the falling wedge, and here you can see in daily it is breaking this falling wedge and it is right now at $1.79 price right now. This is the support level is at $1.47 and our first target is this zone according to the daily resistance level, $2.04, and after that this zone. This is second target and the third target is $2.55 right now. And our support zone will be like this zone and this is very important support zone, and it is this zone. Let me please mark this, and it is the zone of $1.19 right now. And after that, this is the special zone, and it is most strong support, and it is at 96 cent. This is the support, most strong support. It is at 96 cents. Here you can see. Please note down these levels, and let me please show you the indicators. Sorry for that. I'm very much sorry. First of all, I have to show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see it is breaking daily EMA ribbon once it closed daily candle above this daily EMA ribbon and closed daily candle above $1.75 price area, $1.76 price area, this area. In that case, the candle closing will be above of this trend line, falling wedge trend line, and after that this EMA breakout too. That is why it can hit these targets. This EMA ribbon is very important. And let me please remove this, and let me please show you the next and very important CPR levels. These are the CPR levels. It hit 3 CPR levels next, and because this is the starting of this month, and the next CPR levels and the main targets are these 3 dots. Here you can see our first target according to the new monthly CPR of October, $2.44. After that, $3.26, and after that this zone, 3.98. These are super bullish targets, and once it broke this area, $2.55, in that case $3.26 and $3.95 are the target. And let me please hide this CPR, and let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please do this because I want to show you the Fibonacci levels. Please let me please show you. Currently it is in between 0.38 to 0.23 Fibonacci level, in between $1.61 to $1.97 price area. Once it broke $1.97 price area, in that case next target is 2.55, and once it broke this towards downside, in that case next target is 1.60 and 1.32, 0.5 Fibonacci level, and after that the golden pocket $1.03, and after that the bearish target is $0.61, and you can say 61 cents. Let me please remove this, and let me please show you other things, and let me please show you weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and here you can see it is all-time high, and the price was $3.44, and this is the resistance area. It is at 2.55, and this is the horizontal support zone starting from this zone, $1.50 to $1.84. And once price break this, in that case our next target is 2.51, and this is our immediate short-term target. And once it broke this, in that case let me please clone this. In that case next target will be this area, $3.29, and this is long-term target. Maybe it will take some time, maybe some 30 days, maybe 40 days, maybe 35 days, maybe it can hit within 10 days, I think so, because this is bull run. And these are the targets. Note down these targets, and here you can see this is the resistance level. Let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please show you weekly support and resistance level according to the Fib retracement tool. According to the Fib retracement tool, it is in between 0.38 to 0.26. After that this level $133.5, and after that 0.61 and price can hit $1.04. And once it break 0.23 Fibonacci level and it is at $1.99, in that case $2.57 is the target. And let me please remove this, and let me please consider it from top to bottom. That was the bottom, and here you can see it is in between this 0.38 to 0.51 Fibonacci level, in between $1.36 to $1.75. Once it broke 0.5 Fibonacci level, this area, in that case the next target is 0.61 and it is at $2.14. After that 0.65, $2.25, and after that 0.78, $2.7. Once it break $2.7 price area, this level 0.78, in that case I am super bullish. In that case price can go to maximum levels and price can hit these zones. These are the zones, and my target for this bull run, let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart. My target for this bull run is $10 price area, this Fibonacci level, 0.3 Fibonacci level, sorry 3 Fibonacci level, and it is at $10.12, and you can say $10 is my target for this bull run. It can hit $10. This is my last target. That is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and share this video to all of your friends, and please give me your support. Please share this video, please like this video, and if you want my live stream right now today, please do comment on it and I will do this. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Premix $1,200 bonus, Bybit $1,600 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, these are the links. Go to in this video's description where you can get pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses, and you can also get 20% special trading fees discounts once you register with my affiliate links, and these bonuses are withdrawable and tradable too. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. These are the targets, note down these targets, and these are very realistic targets. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.